Understanding the Math Curriculum. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a term you often hear in the world of education: math curriculum. Let's dive into what this means and why it's important, especially for those learning English. Firstly, let's understand what curriculum means. It's a comprehensive plan for teaching and learning. A curriculum includes the goals, content, methods, and materials used in education. It's like a roadmap for teachers and students, guiding what will be taught and how. Now, focusing on math curriculum, it specifically refers to the plan for teaching mathematics. This includes topics like algebra, geometry, and calculus, as well as the approach to teaching these topics. It's designed to ensure students develop the necessary mathematical skills and knowledge. Understanding the math curriculum is crucial. It helps students know what to expect in their math classes and prepares them for future academic challenges. For English language learners, it's also a way to become familiar with math-related vocabulary in English. Let's look at some examples. In a math curriculum, you might find topics like fractions or probability. Each topic will have specific objectives, like understanding how to add fractions, and activities, like solving fraction problems. I hope this video clarifies what math curriculum means and its importance in education. Remember, it's all about planning and guiding the teaching of math effectively. Thanks for watching, and keep exploring English.